Hi everyone, I'm Brian from Grassroot Biotics. As a kid growing up in Jamaica, I learned to love nature and the environment and everything that they had to offer. That's why when I moved to Toronto, one of the first things I tried to do was bring some nature into my own apartment. But sadly, that's when I realized that my apartment was no place to grow plants big and strong. And that's when I set out to make the secret garden. A way to grow plants at home that easily gives you the ability to prune, trim, and train your plants the way you want. The gardens also come equipped to store enough water for up to 2 weeks, as well as carbon filters that reduce any smells. All of this can be monitored through an easy-to-use app, which provides you with reminders to refill water, add nutrients, and train your plants. This is also where experienced growers can customize their settings. I'd like to share with you what we've been working on for the past several months and invite you to join us in making the world a greener place. Thank you very much.
Plants grow so slowly we usually can't see it happen, but there are other ways that they're invisible to us.
Out of sight, plants are constantly converting sunlight into sugars.
NASA uses specialized infrared cameras to observe the hidden life of plants. In the public lab community, where we work on affordable, do-it-yourself versions of scientific equipment, we've developed a handheld version of this fascinating photographic technique. The tool we've developed is simple and works just like a normal camera, and is cheap enough that anyone can have one.
Let's see what the world will look like through your Infragram camera. Look how these false color images highlight growth, while these enhanced NDVI composites bring out details of plant health.
It works because plants absorb red and blue light to produce sugars, but not infrared. So by comparing the infrared with the visible light, we can see how productive the plant cells are. Why is this important? We're going to bring that technology and power to everyday people, from gardeners examining plants in their yards, to organic farmers, wetlands activists, and more.
So infrared photography for agriculture is very exciting because we're looking at very complex biological systems, and the more information that we can get about how they're functioning mid-season allows us to make adjustments. And so especially the low cost point that we're talking about here is extremely exciting.
We started trying to get infrared photography of the wetlands after the BP oil disaster, but the existing tools are extremely expensive.
Public Lab allows citizens and watchdog organizations to speak to scientific experts and government specialists in the visual language they are familiar with.
But this camera is not just for experts. We see a role for infrared photography in the home as well, so geek gardeners can learn about the growth of their household plants.
We've worked hard to make these experimental cameras affordable enough that anyone can take part in this kind of photography. Join a growing movement of data-driven, MacGyver-inspired innovators who want to change how we understand the ecology around us. From gardens and farms to the riverbanks and coastlines nearest you, join us in exploring, understanding, and democratizing this unique form of photography.
Meet Gem. Meet Star. 2 smart solar lanterns that use wireless technology to let you easily design dynamic lighting for any space. The LuminAID Smart Solar Garden is an interactive Bluetooth lighting system that integrates seamlessly into your backyard or patio. Powerful performance that's easy to use. With our free app, you can remotely control the brightness and color of your lanterns to design lighting that's just right, all with just a press of a button. Create groups like front porch or backyard barbecue and control as a group or individually. Packable, movable, transformative. The geometric design allows for easy storage and charging. The integrated solar panels charge the light during the day, or you can boost the battery with the magnetic charging cable. Place or hang the gem, and string the stars together for easy illumination. Schedule your lights to go on at sunset, or to illuminate when you know visitors are arriving. The Gem and Star illuminate 200 square feet of lighting area with over 75 lumens of bright LED light. No need to worry about the weather. The lights are 100% waterproof, durable, and made to last. With the Smart Solar Garden, we wanted to unite green technology and intelligent design to empower sustainable living beyond the grid. We've spent years creating and refining durable solar lighting solutions for disaster relief and outdoor adventures. Through our Give Light Get Light program, more than 50,000 solar lanterns have gone to families without electricity. With this Kickstarter, for every Smart Solar Garden pledge, we want to give a solar lantern to a family in need of a safe, rechargeable light. Light has a singular power to draw people together. It's about revealing opportunities, warming spaces, and connecting people. Just as campers gather around a fire and community and conversation are drawn to glowing, we want our solar lights to draw together family and friends and share the power of light.
We love our gardens. It's that special place where we relax and unwind. Whether you're into colorful flowers, trees, or growing your own healthy food, it takes time and commitment. Wouldn't it be great if you could have all the benefits of a healthy garden without having to worry about your plants when you're out, traveling, or simply don't have the time? This is where CloudRain comes into play. Using local weather data, CloudRain's smart algorithm waters your plants exactly to their needs. It's so easy to use, you can set it up yourself in no time. CloudRain needs no batteries or cable connection as it is self-maintaining through solar energy. CloudRain's intelligent technology connects to your home's Wi-Fi. Using information on wind, sunlight, temperature and humidity, CloudRain effortlessly integrates with the local weather data, providing your garden with the optimal watering plan. Finally, a solution that maintains your garden from your pocket. Give your garden the attention it deserves. Feel more in control about your garden no matter where you are. CloudRain.
Hi, I'm Joe Jones, inventor of Tertill. 15 years ago, I created Roomba, a small, user-friendly robot that cleans home floors all by itself. Since Roomba's amazing success, I've been looking for opportunities for other practical robots. I found a great one in the garden. It's called Tertill. Tertill is a robot that eliminates weeds. It's solar-powered, chemical-free, and waterproof. Every day it charges itself in the sun, and when it has enough energy, it goes patrolling for weeds.
My name's Rory McKean. I'm the CEO of Franklin Robotics. Tertill uses the height of the plant to decide if it's good or if it's bad. If it's taller than an inch, it leaves it alone. If it's smaller than an inch, it cuts it. Tertill has two methods of removing weeds. The first is a small nylon string on the bottom of the robot that spins rapidly to cut the weeds. The second is the design of the wheels. As the robot drives around, the wheels scrub the surface of the soil, damaging pre-emergent weeds.
Tertill doesn't need to pull weeds because it chops them every day. Even if a chopped weed sprouts again, Tertill will keep chopping it down until it runs out of stored energy and dies.
There's no mapping or programming required for Tertill. You put the robot in the garden, press go, and the robot takes care of the rest. Tertill uses Bluetooth to talk to the user's smartphone.
There's an app that accompanies Tertill. Through the app, you can learn about conditions in your garden and what Tertill has been doing.
Because Tertill cuts the weeds every day, the clippings are small, so they fall back onto the ground and shrivel up, returning the nutrients to the soil. To inform Tertill that you want to keep a small plant, you put one of the provided plant collars around the seedling. This lets Tertill know that it's a desired plant. Once the plant is larger, you can remove the collar if you like.
Tertill collects some energy even on cloudy days, and it uses its energy very carefully. Thus, it can keep operating through extended cloudy periods. Tertill is helped by the fact that weeds can't grow very fast when there's no sun.
Tertill can easily cover the typical garden size in the US, which is about 100 square feet. Given favorable soil conditions or sunny climates, Tertill is able to cover more area than that.
Tertill is round, it's short, it has four-wheel drive and extreme camber wheels. Those are all design choices that improve Tertill's mobility in the garden.
Tertill requires a barrier to keep it from wandering away from the garden. This could be the edge of a raised bed, a chicken wire fence, or some other type of border. We've been developing Tertill over the past 2 years, constantly testing, prototyping, and iterating to make the best product that we can. We're launching on Kickstarter because we need your help to bring Tertill to production. With your support today, you can be one of the first to have Tertill in your garden. Because weeding sucks, you should make a robot do it.